Let's talk sneakers I'm actually excited for in the first half of 2023, and I'm a little shocked. It's a pretty short list, but also that may not be a bad thing whatsoever. And listen, the first pair already purchased the New Balance 1906R Refined Future in the Turtle Dove colorway. I actually realize now I'm not sure if the Castle Rock was something I needed. How many gray New Balances do I already own? No, I know. Gray, it's the thing. Gray day for New Balance. Totally understand that. But we also know I'm a big fan of neutrals and tones, so the Turtle Dove pair made sense. That's number 1 on the list, and it's already on the way. Number 2 on the list, and this may actually be a pickup for January 2023, maybe even a double up. I never thought Bad Bunny would be the designer, the releases that I would want to double up on, but here we are. The Campus set to drop end of January, hopefully, barring no setbacks, with Adidas and Bad Bunny in that same cloud white colorway. I absolutely positively love it from first sight, loved it. And again, still hoping, I actually think I may be able to double up on the last forum that I have that's also in cloud white, but I love what he's doing with the Campus. It's not too much, it does just enough, and yes, I would like to double up on those. Now, only 2 Jordans on this list, and one you guys already know, so let's just get it out the way. The Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Yes, cool. We all know. A lot of us are very interested in that pair. I'm not someone who needs to double up. Just give me 1 pair. I'll be very happy with that. So we'll move along. We know that drops March 11th, and I'm really hoping, again, mom, birthday magic, just come through for me. Your birthday magic did not come through for me when it came to those Sakai's when they dropped. You guys remember that video? Yeah, it didn't help then. I'm really hoping it does now this time around, mom. But the other Jordan on this list, and tune in to the next video and we'll discuss more about Jordans in 2023, but the women's Air Jordan 4 Seafoam. I've actually purchased a lot of Seafoam recently over the past year, 2022. Like Jerry dropped Seafoam, and apparently I didn't really know how to act. I don't know. I did wait for quite a few deals and steals though, let's just be very clear, but I love just the way it fits into so many different outfits. No pun intended there with the outfits and fits, but I love the way that it really coordinates well. I am a big fan of olive green, if you guys know that, based on all the olive cargo pants I own. So it's a different shade of green. It can soften up an outfit or a look, which I appreciate. And the Seafoam pair, because I think it is a really crisp design on the Jordan 4. One, it's women, so I think it'll be really comfortable. They just tend to make women's 4s much more comfortable. I love how crisp it is, and I think just with a basic pair of denim shorts, a tank, and some crew socks, that's it. That's all you really need in the summer. Throw on a hat, and I'm probably good to go. So I am interested in that women's pair. Number 5, the Nike Air Max 1 Big Bubble. It's set to return for the first time since the 1980s, and this is actually my favorite all-time Nike silhouette of their own. If it's a collab, it's the Fear of God 1, but I'm very excited. I'm guessing this will probably drop in March for Air Max Day. To cap it all off, I said 2023 was looking real New Balance-ish, and some SBs. So yes, an SB makes the list on here with the gray gum. Like literally, it's gray. It's got a gum bottom, white laces, orange tips on the laces. It's part of the Orange Label collection. Now, when it comes to this, have you looked at the prices for some of the Orange Labels? They are outrageous. It's also why I don't have the very basic white and obsidian pair. I just don't want to pay the price for that, even though it is very basic, and that's the point. It'll go with like everything. It's a timeless SB to have in my collection. I don't want to pay the price for that, but this gray pair, it's doing everything I would like it to do. So I really want this added to the collection. And if you realized, it's like only 6 pairs. Now, we haven't seen anything leaked yet for Joe Freshgoods and New Balance, or even him and Converse. So I am excited to see what that may be for 2023. What's in the works? What new things can we expect? Because I'm sure that'll catch my eye, and I'll add that to the desired wish list. But as it stands right now, if these are the only pairs I get to start 2023, actually quite all right. Now, I'm not pressed about not having any other pairs that could drop, and I don't care what brand it may be by, Adidas, Nike, Jordan, even New Balance, because again, I'm really looking at more discernment in 2023 and asking the question, just because I like it or even if I love it, do I need it? So we'll talk more about that this year on the channel with myself, TJ, on Talks with TJ. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.